Hey guys, what's going on? It's Amy again with Bargain Mama, and today I have a video I've not done in a long time. I went to Hobby Lobby. I'm not gonna lie, it was like 2 weeks ago, but I'm just getting around to the haul, and it was all because of Tony at Creative Chica Hauls, because she just kept going and going and getting all this amazing stuff. So I did decide to go get it. Again, this store I went to was at the Flagstaff location. So was not in my town. I've not gone to one in my town in a long time, but I just kept watching her videos over and over, and she had so many and like just amazing things. So I was like, I have enough stickers, but let me just go look. And I do feel like I really kind of like refrained myself from buying absolutely everything, because that's what I wanted, was everything. It was so amazing. So I got these stickers for either my notebooks that I'm doing or for my tumblers. Either one I'm hoping will work on. So again, this is a Hobby Lobby haul from Flagstaff, but I did bring these for the end. So if you're not interested, because you guys, I did my Walmart haul, one of them like a while ago, like a month ago, and I didn't open these on the video, and I still haven't opened them, and so I want to do that. So we'll do it at the end, just in case nobody's interested. The first thing I got was this. This is the cherry mash for $1.29. I ate the whole thing already. I love Hobby Lobby because they just have all like the weird different kind of candies up at their cash register. So I did get that just to show you guys. I did get 3 of these. It was not on clearance, but I thought it was a really good price regardless. So this is a canvas purse, wearable art, 6 by 9 inches, and it was only $169. And it's like I said, it's canvas, like you can paint on it, and it has this rope at the top, and it has a zipper, and I just thought this was really cute, like for $169. So I did pick up 3 of these. Again, these were not on clearance at all, but for $169, I thought that was an amazing deal. So I got those. I'm going to save the stickers for last. I did pick up a couple things that were on sale for my middle son for Christmas. This was $2.49. It doesn't say their normal prices, but this is just the flash, and it's just a wall hanging. Oh, actually it does on the back. It says it's normally $9.99, and this is 7.25 inches by 10.25 inches. And yeah, it's just DC. I was looking at the back. I'm sorry. It's by Pop Creations. But again, my son loves wall stuff, so he absolutely loves anything. But because he has so much stuff that sits on his shelves, I try to look more for like wall stuff so that he can hang more stuff up, so he can display more, especially in his college dorm room. So we got this. I think it's amazing, and like I said, for $2.49, he'll love that. And then this was $2.24, and it's normally $16.99. And it's just like a street sign that says The Flash. I don't know if it says how big it is. I'm trying to get the sticker off the back. I don't want to take the plastic off though. Hold on. It's just like a long street sign. Okay, so it's 20 by 3.3 inches. And I think that these, like I said, just go together really good for like a little present for him. So I got that for $2.24, normally $16.99. That was an amazing deal. And the rest are stickers. So it was a lot. And like I said, I would not have gone if it wasn't for Tony at Creative Chica Halls, but she just kept showing them, and I ended up going. So I did pick this up, normally $3.99. It was 99 cents. And it's just 6 unique sheets of craft stickers, DC Comics, Batman. And my husband likes Batman. My son, not a big fan, but likes him. These are just the different ones. They just are all different. I like that. Where's the one? There's just some more. I was trying to find the particular one that I thought was kind of cool. These are borders. I think these are so cute. I love these. I think I'm going to do a whole entire Batman notebook, but these are what I really liked, guys. So these are tags that I'm going to use on my husband's presents for Christmas. This is the last page, but they're just Batman, and they say to and from, and I think that's so awesome. Like I said, 99 cents. Like, I mean, so these are all of them on the back, but to get all those plus get the ones that are like to and from, so I can put on my husband's presents, I think that's awesome. So I picked that up. The front head came off, but doesn't matter. And then I did pick up another one of their books. So this is normally also $3.99, and I picked it up for 99 cents. So there's that one. And then no one in my family is really, I don't want to say young enough, because old people can like it too, or older, but not really these fans. But I think I'm going to just get a tumbler, and I'm literally just going to put these all over it. And then I'm going to get a notebook and I'm going to do a notebook with it, and then I'll show you like what I'm going to do at the end. So I'm going to put them together in a gift basket once I do the notebook and the, see, like these say ready for action, super gecko muscles, it's time to be a hero, super owl wings, like all those. And then here is just some cute pictures of them. Again, this whole entire thing was only 99 cents and there's 6 pages. And then wait, there's one more in here, I think, hiding. Oh, my hands are shaking a little. These are the borders again that I will use on the notebooks, but then here's this. And again, they're to and from stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this page by itself and just like take it out of the book. And then when I put together a little PJ Masks gift basket, I'm going to put this with them so that whoever gets it can also, if they want, like use these on their kids, like either birthday present tags or Christmas tags or whatever. So I'm just going to put the sticker sheet in the basket of the PJ Masks that I do. So that's one. I just love, I mean, that was a lot for that little, like for 99 cents. This is normally $5.99 and I got it for $1.49, and it has 2 sheets. I think that they're the exact same. I don't know if it tells me, yeah, 20 pieces. But look, here is Mickey Mouse. I just love it. Again, such a cute tumbler to do. So because unfortunately I don't have a whole lot of time to do my tumblers, my idea is I'm just going to spray paint a lot of, like prep a lot of them, you know, sand them a little, put spray paint on them and stuff, and I can just take like a thing of stickers and the tumbler with me to like my hotel rooms and stuff, or even do it at home inside of my house, and so that I can spend time with my family while I'm doing this, watching a movie or something, and then do the epoxy later. So everything will be done except for the epoxy. So this is just a really super easy way to do it. So I picked up these Mickey Mouse ones. This one is also used to be $5.99 and I got it for $1.49, and there is 16 in here. And these are just these beautiful princess stickers. Sparkle Princess. That one says glitter and sparkle. So I just think they're so cute. 16 pieces, 2 sheets. I love those. So I think those are so pretty. And then I did pick up these Little Mermaid ones. The Little Mermaid has always been my absolute favorite princess. I love her. I love the soundtrack. I love everything about it. So these are, again, the Disney Princess stickers, normally $3.99. I did get them for 99 cents, and I just think they're absolutely gorgeous. Look at her. And like the sparkle on these, they are 3D, but they are just so cute. So I picked those up. These ones are just by Sticker Abilities. There's 24. These are normally $2.99, and I did pick them up for 74 cents. But mainly, let me show you. Here's the camera. I always try to get camera stuff for my youngest son. This is a little like candy jar that I think is gorgeous. And then let's see, here's another camera up here, and I love the ice cream. So I'll use all of them, but mainly those are the ones that I just fell in love with. Again, anytime that I find, and these are 3D, but anytime that I find cameras on stickers, I like to pick them up because my middle son is really into like getting scrapbooks and stuff made for him. He's actually getting ready to go with his friends. I just wish I would have like done what he did in his life. He's just living his best life. So he lives in LA, like I said, to go to college. We are from Sierra Vista, which is about an hour south of where I live right now in Tucson. So some of his friends just graduated high school, and so they are going like on like a 5-day trip. So we went down there, and they're gonna go to like the Grand Canyon, they're going to like Utah, just all these different places that they planned out, just like because it's everyone's graduation. And I'm like, oh, like he's just living his best life. I love it. I love it. And so this is also by the Paper Studio, Stick Abilities, normally $2.49. This is 20 pieces, and I got them for 62 cents. So they are all the same, but I love donuts. And so again, there's 20 in here, and it was 62 cents. So of course I got that. These are by Sticker Abilities, again, normally $2.49. I did get them for 62 cents, and there's 36 stickers. And I don't know if you all have seen, what is her name? Lyric Lovers Crafts, I think. So I love her, like, I love her channel for like paper crafts. So a long time ago, she started making recipe books out of the Dollar Tree photo albums. And so I have a video on it from, I think, like a year ago, maybe over that. And it's actually over that because I've been in my house a year. And so I picked these up so I could make more of those for Christmas. So it is just like a recipe book that you make out of the Dollar Tree photo albums, and I love it because like I gave this to my mom one year and I filled out some of the first couple recipe books. So they're just blank recipe cards and you give them to like whoever and they can make their own recipe book. But what I did is I gave it to my mom at Christmas, which is in December, and then my birthday is in March. So I gave my mom the book in December, but I had put some of the recipes that I wanted from her like on the top, like she makes guamkis, so I put that at the top of one, like her crazy cake, all this stuff that she makes on the top of each one. And I asked her to please fill in the rest, like, and put how much of everything in there and then give it back to me for my birthday. Because I just love that. And then so then I took it, and there's some other people in my family that I love their recipes. So I gave them my book and then asked them again to fill out the ones that I had put at the top. My aunt makes those cookies with the jelly in them. Oh my gosh, I love them. So anyways, so now I have a recipe book that's from the Dollar Tree that is filled out with like everyone in my family's recipes that I absolutely love. And so that would be a great idea to pass like to your kids, or to do whatever. But that's what I got these for, is just to dress those up. And then I think this is the same thing. Yeah. So I picked up another one of these just again because I want to do some more of those, because I just love that idea. And yeah, I mean, I was so excited. Like, I got so many recipes from like, and they're all in one place. Like sometimes my aunt will like send me a picture of hers or whatever, but I had them all in one place. And even my mom was like, that's a pretty good idea. So anyways, and it's something different, like instead of going to like the store or something and just buying someone something for Christmas. Anyways, this is another one by the Paper Studio, normally $2.99. I did get this for 74 cents, and it is 26 pieces. And I just love this I thought he was a pig, but he's an elephant on a cactus, like pool lounger. I think that is so cute. So we do live in Tucson, so I thought the cactus was cute. The pineapples, I just loved everything on here. So I did get those. Actually, I think I got 2 of them, which I didn't notice. So that apparently is the end of my stickers, because I did pick up 2 of these. So now if you don't want to stick around, I understand, but I am going to open these again. I'm addicted to these little pet shop things from Walmart. Don't look. Ow, don't look. This is so bad. I'm going to try to use this, but I am addicted to these things. I have not bought any more in a long time. This is from at least a month ago when I showed them in one of my hauls, that I had gotten another set, and then I ran out of time because my video was too long because I talked too much, and so I didn't open them, and I've left them this long, which I'm so proud of myself for leaving them. So this is the Real Littles. They're like $3.48 at Walmart, and they are the Micro Mart. So it has 2 Real Littles, 2 mini packs, and 1 collector's guide. So if you've watched any of my other ones, I've gotten like the Eggo, I've gotten some Pringles. I want to use them. Oh, this is a new one, guys. This is definitely a new one. I want to, oh wait, it shows you. Oh, Amy. Oh, Lord. I wonder if that's how every one of them, I have to go look at my other boxes. Guys, look at what's on the back. And that's exactly what's in here. Oh, I wonder, now I'm wondering if that's every single time that I've gotten doubles. I think I could have looked at the back. I'm going to start looking at that. I'm going to go to Walmart today and look. So this is so cute. It's a little container of Juicy Juice. I just love it. And I mean, you could paint this label and make it something else if you wanted. I use these for the toppers on my mugs, my epoxy tumblers that I do. So I think that's cute. And then here is some steam fresh vegetables. You guys, just so you know, like this thing is really like a hard plastic. It is not paper. So that is so cute. Like it's a little thing. I mean, it literally looks like a mini version of it. And there's something in here so it doesn't go flat. That is so cute. Let me see if my other ones are on here. This shows like ices and stuff, guys. I'm gonna go to Walmart today because I want to see if that's really what it shows on the back. Yeah, so this one, looks like. Let's see, bird's eye mixed. Wait, so is the thing in there? Is there someone in there? No, I'm not supposed to open that, am I? Wait, hold on a second, because I think it wants me to open it, but I don't want to open it and then ruin it if it's not. Hold on, I think I'm supposed to open it, but I'm so scared because what if I ruin it because it's so cute? But if you look right here, like it shows the vegetables and then it shows the bowl next to it. I don't want to ruin it. Let me try to open it from the top and see. Oh, it's not really all the way closed, so you can open it at the top. I didn't mess it up. So let's see. But it does zip close, so it's like 3 in 1. Oh gosh, you really do take it out. First of all, this, did you hear that snap? This really does snap, you guys. I mean, I'm in amazement. Has all that. This is so real life looking, but you guys, look at Vanessa Vegetable. Look at her. Oh my gosh. It's a little bowl. This is the cutest thing ever. This is so cute. So I love that. I'm definitely going to go today and see if you can see what's on the back because I'm on the hunt for some certain ones. So I'm excited now. And then we do just have the sneakers. I have showed you guys the sneakers that I've opened before. I think they're so cute on top of tumblers, although I haven't done one yet, but my plan is to. So I am going to have upcoming soon a, I've had it before, the shirt teak haul. So a while ago I did a small business video and that was one of them, and her prints were amazing. Recently I ordered some tumbler wraps from her, and unfortunately from that website Shirt Teaks, they were not good. I don't know what happened, and I want to tell you guys that like I emailed her that day and she apologized and said she was going to send them out in a couple days again, like a new set of all of them, and so they were about $100 worth of items. So if I get that, and when I get that, I'll show you guys what they are. But yeah, it was like $100 worth of items, and she was just like, okay, like I'll fix it. So hopefully she will, because if she does, like it's an amazing website because not only are the items good, but the customer service is good. But here's our little shoebox. First of all, like I've said before, I think the shoebox is the cutest thing ever. So then you just open our little shoebox. Oh wait, you have to take the tape off. I know, you guys are like, Amy, too long. So here's our little thing. What's in here? What are these? They're roller skates. You've got to be kidding me. Wait, I think I got these. I don't care though, they're so cute. So here is a little thing of leopard pink roller skates. These are the cutest things ever, and they're on a little keychain. I honestly might put these on my keys because these are the cutest things. I want to put them on my tumbler, but they're so cute, I don't know. All right, guys, I am so sorry this was so long. I am so excited that I'm sorry, I'm looking at my package. I am so excited that I found these, all these sticker items, and I really hope that you guys are enjoying my videos. I am definitely enjoying having somebody to talk to when I'm on the road and stuff. And so I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.